Hey, it's Tricia here at Club Scrap with another gorgeous remix. This one's called Under the Sea. It was so popular the first time we released it, we decided to give it another go. And this kit contains two of this lovely whale print. I just love him, along with the little turtles on the side. I know we have a lot of turtle fans out there. And then we have this really fun octopus print. Now, to complement the printed sheets, we have a large assortment of cardstocks, two each of this dark blue, a white, 3 medium blue, 3 green, and 2 light blue. In addition, we also have carefully mapped out 2 sheets of printed cut-aparts. These are filled with border strips, other images from the collections like this cute seahorse, and many prompts for journaling on your pages as well. To help you with embellishing your pages, we've got some ribbon. How about this 7/8 inch sheer medium blue? And then we have this lovely satin green, 2 yards of that, and this 5/8 inch metallic silver ombre. For other goodies, you'll find 3 of these laser cut shells, 3 sparkly starfish gems, a set of 3 charms to get that cute octopus, a seahorse, and the turtle, and 3 double looped cabochon settings with epoxy stickers. Now, I'm passionate about helping you turn this into scrapbook pages without any waste or leftovers, and I start out by planning everything out very carefully in my sketch notebook. And then I turn that into a beautiful set of instructions that you can print and download and follow along for yourself, along with my workshop video. And during that workshop, you will make a set of 8 beautiful scrapbook pages. Every page is fully embellished by using the cut-aparts, the charms, the ribbon we've included. Remember those cute little cabochon settings? We even have art to put inside of those. And when you are finished with this, there will be nothing left of the kit that you need to store and organize. You simply can add your photos and your memories, and you'll have 8 gorgeous pages. You can visit the full video workshop of this class before you even purchase the kit, so you can see how it works. I hope you decide to join us here at Club Scrap and pick up your Under the Sea remix kit today. See you in class.